Hey children, yes, I hope you all are going through the lessons which we are sending in your WhatsApp groups. Yes, so in our last class we have finished the Lion King, right? This lesson. So no, yes, how the animals are before and how the animals after the destruction of forests and all. So no, yes, see. So now see the glossary here. See first one. Captured. It is what? Captured. Captured in the sense took as prisoners. I already told you in the lesson. Yes, see captured means took as prisoners. Who are prisoners? The people who keep in who are kept in jail. They are prisoners. Okay. So here few smugglers and hunters. Yes or no? They captured the animals in cages and they took away. Yes, see, hill tribes. Hill tribes, I already said, people who live in forests or, yes, see, hill tribes. Groups of people living on hills in the forests. See, groups of people living on hills in the forest. Yes or no? Hill tribes, the people who lives in, the people who live in forest. Civilized, see here, refined means improved, developed. Okay, yes, next resources, natural wealth like water, forest, etc. Yes, they are called resources. Okay, natural wealth means water, it is a resource. Forest, it is a resource. Yes or no? Ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, they all comes under natural wealth. Okay, it is coming to us from naturally, right? So that they are natural wealth. Yes, here benefits you already know. Benefit, what is the benefit you get if you read? You get knowledge. Yes, what is the use of reading? You get knowledge. Then uses, benefits means uses, advantages. Okay, yes. Subjects in the sense here you have five different subjects, but here in this lesson subjects are not that subjects here means animals that are ruled by the lion. I mean he is telling about the animals. Okay, yes, here see here we have V, N, A, D, J, N, N, N. What are these letters, children? Do you have any idea about this? Yes, it is telling about the parts of speech. You know parts of speech? Yes, how many parts of speech are there? What are they? There are 8 parts of speech. Do you remember? Yes, what is the first one? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Do you remember, children? Or your minds are blank? Yes, see here. So we in the sense, yes, it is verb. So the captured word is verb. Hill tribes, noun. It is noun, the name of some group of people. So noun. Adjective. What is adjective? Yes, which describes the noun. Yes or no? So civilized word is an adjective which is describing the people. Yes. Next, resources, noun. Names, yes or no? Yes. Benefits, noun. Subjects, noun. Okay. And see here, comprehension. Answer the following questions. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. See, what is the first question? How was the forest before the entry of the civilized people? Yes, we already know who are civilized people. Refined in the sense improved, developed people who lives in cities and all developed areas, developed technology. Technology. Who so no? So they are civilized people means who have everything. See, how was the forest before the entry of civilized people? Yes, now here what did this lion is saying about the civilized people? See, you, the civilized, entered my kingdom. Yes, after the civilized people entered, what happened to the forest? See here. You are greedy and unkind. The line is, yes, the line is telling about the civilized people that you are greedy and unkind. You cut trees for your selfishness. Yes, after the entry of the civilized people, they cut down the trees for their selfish wants, and they started hunting animals for flesh, skin, tusks and claws. Yes or no? Yes. So but how was the forest before the entry? After the entry, they all did these things, but before the entry of civilized people, how was the forest? Yes, it was so beautiful. Yes or no? Here it is. See, the jungle, I'm sorry, wait. My kingdom had been very beautiful. Yes or no? Before the entrance of the civilized people, the forest was beautiful, and the jungle had tall trees, taller than the buildings. Yes or no? Yes. Oh, not only the trees. There were also climbers, bushes, shrubs, and all and everything. Yes or no? It was green to look. Wherever you see, it was green. Then the forest looked beautiful with some waterfalls, water springs, pools, hills, valleys. It looked wonderful with many wonderful sceneries, and also the all animals were lived together, right? Yes, they lived together very happily. There was food to eat, plenty of water to drink. The birds sang the sweetest songs. Yes or no? The animals ran longest races. The children of the lion, sheep, and the hen, every children, I mean every child, all the children of all the animals moved very freely without any fear, and they lived very happily in the forest. When did this all happen? Before the entry of civilized people. Yes, that is okay. Yes, next. What was the relation between the hill tribes and the forest? And see, here you can see what is the relation between hill tribes. Who are hill tribes? People who lives in hills or hill areas or forest. So the hill tribes also lived with us. They also lived with the animals. They did not harm any animal. Then animals did not harm the people. They were happy. They were very happy with what forest gave them. Yes or no? They lived in the forest and they lived along with the animals. They were very happy, and they worshipped the forest as God. They enjoyed the touch of the earth, the smell of the air, and the taste of the freshness. And they loved the forest and respected our freedom. They did not hunt the animals. They did not harm the animals. That's why the animals also loved the hill tribes, and they did not harm anybody. So no, if we harm the animals, then they harm us. If we don't harm, they also stay with us with a good thing, right? Yes, see here. So the hill tribes, what was the relationship between the hill tribes and the forest? It was very good. Yes or no? Yes, they worshipped forest as God. Next, how are the civilized people responsible for the destruction of the forest? Yes, how these civilized people are the reason, because they want trees to cut off. Yes or no? Paper is made up of trees, right? Wood, right? Yes, they cut off the trees and they wanted to make some other things with the trees. Yes, and wood is also used to make furniture, everything. We all cut out the trees and we made our things. It's one looking at one side, it is a very bad thing, right? If we cut if we have the trees, we get rains. But if we cut the trees, we don't get rains. If we don't get rains, what happens? The crops won't grow. If the crops won't grow, what happens? We don't get rice, so we don't get food to eat. But in other way, we are making our life in a good way, and we are cutting the trees to make our lives to live happily, we are cutting the trees and we are maintaining our lives. See, by this they became the responsible of destruction, yes or no? Yes. Next, what steps do we need to take to protect forests? Yes, what are the steps do we need to take? Protect forest. Yes, we should not cut the forest. We should not cut the trees. We should grow more plants. Then only, yes, forests, we can see the forests. If not, if we cut every plant, we can't see any plant, we can't see any tree, we can't see any forest over there. Okay, it is our duty to protect our forests also. So children, don't cut the tree. Okay, plant the trees. Try to plant the trees. Yes, so we have to teach others about the importance of the environment and how they can help save forests. Okay, and we have to encourage people to live in a way that doesn't hurt our surroundings. Okay, now everything, pollution, everything, it is done by people itself, right? Yes, and we can establish parks to protect, yes, protect trees and all. We can establish parks and we can plant some trees in that and we can play in that, anything. We don't have parks near our surroundings, right? Yes, some in, maybe in camp it is, but we don't go there. But in, there is no park in villages, yes or no? Yes. Okay, next you see here, who did the lion call with the following names? People. Here lion called these words, but we have to tell who it actually meant. Okay, people. Here we can see people. See. Here it called out all the names of the animals and it said that pigeon and many more were among my people. My people, in the sense animals. It is representing that word as my people, in the sense animals itself. So here we have to write animals, my people. Okay, people means animals. Animals and birds also. Animals and birds. Who lives in forest? Animals and also birds, right? Yes. Next, children. Here it is mentioning children here. See here, our children, the cubs, lambs and chicks. Our children, in the sense not we, I mean not human children. It is telling about their children, means the babies of animals. Okay, the babies of animals, right here, the babies of animals. ANIMALS. Sorry children, wait, I will show you. Okay, right, the babies of, wait, okay, the babies of animals. Children means the babies of animals, right? Yes. Next, you. Here it used you. Somewhere it is you. See, you, the civilized, means us. It is representing here us. You means civilized. Okay, civilized means people, or you can write human beings. Human beings, civilized or human beings. Okay, next, king. Here, who is the king of the forest? Lion. Yes, the king is lion, right? LION, lion. See, people, in the sense animals and birds. You, civilized or human beings. Babies of animals, lion. Okay, yes. We'll continue this in the next part.